Welcome to episode Corner TV, and this is just a fish stew with yam. So the boiled yam, and then you have the fish stew. Very easy to prepare, and this is nice because this fish is mackerel, and then you pieces it while using it to make a curry, right? But we call it stew, but it's just curry as it were. Then you boil the yam, and for like 30 minutes it becomes soft, and then you may prepare the curry. That's what you now use to eat the yam. It's so appetizing, it's so good, and it's so proteinous as it were. So you have a combination of protein and the carb here, and that's what balanced diet is all about. I don't know whether you've eaten it before, whether it's a staple recipe where you come from, but for us in Africa, especially in Nigeria, yam is a staple food, and it's something that you can eat in variety. You can use egg, you can use just palm oil, you can use this too, as I did, with the fish. All right. So there's something else they use in eating the yam in different ways, and then yam can be roasted. They also can be, fried. So whichever way that pleases you is an exceptional way of enjoyment, as far as food is concerned. And yam has a distinctive taste. Is a tuber, and is really edible and generally eatable everywhere, across the globe. A lot of people, and you can easily get yam. These ones we are gotten here in Britain, so you can easily get yam here. You can get it in America, wherever you are, to Europe, and then in Africa, it's everywhere. There are different ones, with different colors. All right, there's some yellow yam, this white yam. There are some also that is called water yam. All right, depending on the one that you pick. But if you come across this channel, please subscribe, like and share and comment. Let me know where you're coming from, and let me see. Just put a recipe that you like, and then we can share about it. This one is fresh, fish stew with yam. All right, it's so delicious. Hope you enjoy it. Have a good time. Bye.